Have you already made your mind to quit learning English? No way. Don't fear when I'm here. Hello, gorgeous people there. Welcome back to my channel, Eloquent Spoken Hub. I hope you're doing well. So, today I want to give you a small pep talk but very effective for learning English. So, as we know, many English learners experience lack of motivation in their journey for learning English. And learning a new language like English can be challenging, but it's incredibly rewarding too. So, let's deep dive into why many English learners might have ended up quitting learning this language. First reason for lack of motivation could be the feeling of being overwhelmed. As we know, English language has so many exceptions, rules, and nuances. So it is obvious it might seem like an insurmountable task. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. So break down your learning process into smaller, achievable goals and enjoy. You celebrate each milestone along the way, and whether it's mastering a vocabulary word or understanding a complex grammar structure. Enjoy your steps, and by focusing on your improvements, you can find a renewed version in yourself. Another reason for lack of motivation could be the fear of rejection, fear of making mistakes. Nobody wants to be wrong, right? But here is the thing, making mistake is an essential part of learning process. And don't be afraid to stumble over words and mix up all those grammar tenses. Embrace them. Mistake is a valuable learning opportunity also. And just think about it. All those fluent English speakers once was a beginner and they have made a plenty of mistakes. So just let us everyone deep dive into the language with enthusiasm. Lastly, lack of motivation can stem from feeling disconnected from the language. So, English language is not just only about vocabulary and grammar, but it is also about different countries, people, different cultures, and real life environments and connections. So, immerse yourself as much as possible. Watch movies, read books, listen to music, engage in conversation with native speakers and fellow learners. By engaging yourself, you will find this learning process intriguing. And as much as you connect with this language on personal level, the more you connect, the more you will be feeling motivated to continue this. In conclusion, be joyous in discovering the beauty of this language and the cultures it represents. And remember, motivation is a journey in itself. It's normal to have ups and downs and many hindrances. So, don't let those moments of doubt overshadow your passion and learning this. Okay? So that's all for today, gorgeous people. Let me know in the comment box how do you like it, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care.